Welcome everyone! In today's video, we're exploring essential kitchen vocabulary you'll encounter every day. Whether you're setting up your kitchen or simply want to improve your English, these words will help you communicate clearly and confidently. Let's get started! Introduction. In this video, we'll explore essential vocabulary you need for cooking and baking, focusing on kitchen tools and techniques. Faucet. A tap for controlling the flow of water from a pipe. Serrated knife. A knife with a saw-toothed blade, useful for cutting bread. Food mill. A kitchen utensil for mashing and sieving soft food. Funnel. A cone-shaped tool with narrow tube at the bottom, used for pouring liquids into containers with small openings. Apple corer. A tool used to remove the core and seeds from apples. Canning jar. A glass jar with a lid and ring, used for preserving food. Matches. Small wooden sticks with a flammable tip, used for lighting. Bun pan. A ring-shaped baking pan with fluted or decorative sides. Pie dish. A shallow round dish used for baking pies. cookie cutters, shaped cutters used to create decorative cookies. Flour sifter, a device used to rate and remove lumps from flour. Thanks for watching. Now that you're familiar with these key kitchen terms, you're one step closer to mastering everyday English in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any words you want to learn next. See ya in the next video. Bye!